Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I will try to make this video as short as possible because I'm a bit short on time today, but I happen to receive this parcel. It's gonna be a double unboxing, so this is not any full review video but just an unboxing video, or rather two unboxing videos. Okay, so you can see here, from the bubble wrap you can know that I have two Q&Q watches. So if you're not familiar with Q&Q, it's like a subsidiary of Citizen. So yeah, they do produce some digital watches, something like Casio digital watches. So I found this for sale on this one of the Malaysia shopping online platform, and I found two of these and I found them very interesting. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Right, so the first one, as you can see, I think it's a rival to the AE1200 from Casio. Yep, it has that same case dimensions, the same case profile, the square, and the layout is more or less the same. We have a world map, we have a second indicator, a world time zone indicator. But somehow this one feels a little hefty. I don't know. The watch case feels a little hefty compared to the AE1200. But anyway, I will be doing a full review of this, and after wearing it for a month or two, and I will also do a comparison video with this and the Casio AE1200. So yeah, if you're interested to know more, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So let's take a quick look. Okay, one thing that I noticed that is a little lacking is the rudimentary clasp. So it's just a friction fitted clasp, and if I recall correctly, the AE1200 with the metallic bracelet comes with the push button deployment buckle. And let's see how it fits on my small 6-inch wrist quickly. Yep, I think it fits the same as the regular AE1200, but the main thing I noticed is that it comes with the kind of like a high gloss chrome plated finishing rather than a bead blaster or a matte paint finish on the AE1200. Yeah, let's quickly cycle through. So we have stopwatch, we have timer, alarm, and we have world time. How do I set the world time? Okay, well, the beep is kind of annoying. Alright, okay, back to time, and let's look at the light. Oh, I think it comes, I don't know, let me turn off some light here. Can I see? Okay, it has a better backlight compared to the AE1200, which is an amber light. This one is like more like the Casio Casio, I don't know, I cannot recall, there's a term for that, right? So yeah, I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Yeah, so I think the lighting is a little bit better, so maybe that's why the watch it's a little bit heavier, because of that electroluminescence backlighting that is
A few moments later.
Let's take a look at the next one. Okay. Well, I'm a little disappointed because when I purchased this, it's mentioned as blue, but it turns out to be, I don't know, a little purplish. Yeah. Anyhow, so if you can see from the watch case, this one, it's supposed to be a rival of the famous Casio F91, the legendary F91, but with sort of like a jelly case or like a semi-translucent case. So this one, it retails for cheaper than any jelly case or translucent version of the Casio F91, and I believe it has similar functionality with alarm, stopwatch, second time zone, and that's about it. So let's take a look at the light. Okay, so it comes with that regular green LED light, which is similar to the standard F91. Yeah, on the wrist definitely wears great on smaller wrists, so I think it's not a problem. And I happen to like that translucent feeling, but I don't know, it's stated as a blue, but it turns out to be more like purplish, or I don't know. Yeah, so it's kind of okay. And I think the layout is the same. I'm not sure if it shares the same module. This one is only rated for 3 bar, and the funny thing is that they say plastic bezel, stainless steel case back. Oh, okay. Yeah, as if like you thought that this is gonna be a glass. Yeah. All right, so yeah, I think that's it for this really quick and short unboxing video. Hopefully it's short. I will try to edit it to be short. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. And yeah, I will be doing a full review for these two watches. I will be doing a comparison with the Casio AE1200. I'll be doing a comparison with the F-91. So yeah, if you're really interested, please stay tuned, subscribe, and so that you don't miss out on the video when it is out. And let's take a look. It comes with an original warranty, so you can see Citizen watch code. So yeah, Q&Q, it's by Citizen, and I have like what this limited.
A few moments later.
1 year. So yeah, this one is a Q&Q official store. So yeah, I bought it from an official store, so yeah, it's an official warranty. All right, take care, stay safe, bye bye.